Bike check.
Okay.
Edward Barcelo's bike check.
We got the Fit Mac frame in trans teal, a big ass 21.8 frame. We got Fit blade forks,
Blades.
and then we got Odyssey space bars, and then the Primo Annihilator V2.
Go.
Then the Resist headset right there. As you can see, Resist. Then we go down to the Primo VS, laced to an Odyssey Vendero.
What's a Primo sticker? Primo.
Fit FAF tire,
Just to a V2.
and then a Primo peg, and a stone peg,
Two Primo pegs.
and a
And
stone peg.
peg.
Then we got Fit Pro cranks with the
Fit Pro.
Odyssey twisted PC pedals,
They're shit. They suck ass.
and stock bottom brackets with a Demolition spline drive sprocket,
25?
25 tooth, with a Franken chain, with a Whipperman and an Odyssey. Odyssey sucks.
A what?
Odyssey. Bluebird. Sucks dick. With the Fit FAF. And then Primo 7 series, the Primo mix hub. Then we got the BSD hub guard.
Great.
No problems. And then we got stock seat post.
Cause you're a faggot.
Yeah, I'm gonna spend $40 on the seat post. Then we have the Fit. No, those are G Sport hub guards.
G Sport shit hub guards.
Yeah. And then I got my 76 right there.
You can't forget about 76.
That's the shit right there. And got ODI grips. With
ODI grips with
the Kink lightest bar ends. And, yep, that's my bike. That's it. Besides the shitty...
Wait. Can't forget the Colt sticker
Yeah, on my
on
Fit
the
bike.
Fit.
Besides
Because
this,
that makes sense.
besides this shitty ass federal seat, which I won't count.
It rips and it sucks.
It's like a dick.
See that? See that? Look at this. About to come right out. Just chilling with the whole.
Bitch.
Bike check.
Got my bike. I can't ride on my face.